How to transfer money from Coinstats to bank account. Now in this video, I'll show you a short tutorial on how you can transfer your money balance that you have on Coinstats directly into your bank account. But first, if you open up Coinstats application or maybe the web version, you should be able to see these options right here. Now, Coinstats won't be able to execute transfers directly into your bank. What you want to have to choose or to do is to connect either of one of these platforms right here. You can connect your CoinStats into your Binance, MetaMask, OKX wallet, or other more. Now, if you try to use Binance, you just have to click this option here, and then it will ask for your API key and API secret. Now, you simply complete this first. It's going to be on a separate tutorial, and once you've successfully connected your Binance account into CoinStats, here's what you need to do. On your Binance application, simply change these options right here into P2P or peer-to-peer, and then this is going to be the options that you will see, buy and sell. Choose on sell and swap it over into USDT and put the specific amount that you would like to transfer. Um, Choose on the payment method that you preferred into your bank account for bank transfers, and then choose on sell USDT and choose on confirm sale. And that's it. That's the most convenient way for you to be able to transfer money from Coinstats into your bank account.